Primetime News this evening. NCB says investigations point to dishonesty and possible misuse of Uber as several bankers cry foul over hefty charges. Favour Williams appointed as Jamaica's first female finance minister. And Marissa Dalrymple Philibert to make political comeback.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the gap between imports and exports widened in the first half of this year. I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
Thank you, Lug. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in the big show, Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you, Archibald. Well, the National Stadium is under the microscope, the spotlight. And I don't mean the stadium lights. No. Cars are being stolen from the facility. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
The spotlight, light, car.
That's what he did there. There's also the weather report that's coming up in this newscast. And Romain, what's happening?
Thanks, Archibald. Now, we do have some weather that is expected to affect Jamaica over the next few days. We are expecting strong showers and thunderstorms to affect most places in the afternoons from now through to about next week, Monday.
Oh, wow.
That's good news.
That is okay, if you say so. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the appointment of Favour Williams as the country's first female finance minister?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.